does it feel to play your first cup final, bro?
It was an amazing experience. We've won the MTN 8 before, so I want to get used to this feeling. I enjoy winning.
Yeah, it's a nice feeling. Brother, how are you, bro?
I'm good. How are you, brother?
I'm good, thank you, brother. Hey, it's been long since we have seen you, man. But today at least you're on the bench. How do you feel about the final? How do you feel about the atmosphere?
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu yabo. Ukuya kancane kancane yabo. Sure. Ngizizwa ngijabulile ngokuwina le cup yami yokugcina ethimini. Yabo nje angazi sizothini kodwa ngiyabonga ukubambisana ama-player. Yonke into ukuthi sibambisane sibe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu anginamagama amaningi kodwa ngithi okuhle kodwa for i-team esizini ngoba ngizobe ngingasekho ngithi hayi ngiyabonga nje yonke.
Guys, this one, I don't have much for you to say, but I think we are the only two teams with 2 gold medals. Only team in 6 months. Is it 6 months? Yeah. Abanye next so far itina kuphela abane trophy this season, and there's more coming mara angeke ngisho abola mthuthu yabo because I'll be in big trouble. So hi guys, I'm a Bagania. Aye.